Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can read RSI on TradingView. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you will be able to see the interface on the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and at right above this chart you can see the indicators option at the right side of this chart option. So once you click over there, you will be redirected to the another section where you can search for the RSI on the search bar. Now after that you can see the relative strength index at the top. You need to click on that, and now you will be able to read RSI on TradingView successfully. So basically this is how you can read RSI on TradingView, and if you still encounter any issue with this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.